If you want to ace your home's lighting, there are a few crucial things to consider. And if you're not sure where to start, that's fine. I'm Alex, and I'm here to help you with the perfect lighting. There are two types of lighting: ambient lighting to set the mood, and task lighting to light up the task at hand. A well-lit room has both. Now, just how bright should your lights be? Generally speaking, your bedroom lights should always be dimmer than those in the kitchen or lounge room. Sometimes you want the option to dim the lights. That's always a beneficial feature. What about color temperature? A clinical cool white is great for illuminating spaces in the kitchen, while a relaxed and welcoming warm white is nice for the living room and bedroom. Have you given much thought to what style of light you are after? There are plenty of options to choose from. For example, downlights are a good all-rounder option, where pendant lights are a great choice if you're looking for a bit more style. For more advice, Metropolitan has expert electricians who can assist you with choosing the best lighting. Give the team a call on 1300 157 706 and you can have an expert electrician at your home today to discuss lighting options for you.